welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. You guys are all staying safe and healthy. So today I'm going to be making something called Bánh, which are steamed rice cakes. If you notice, there's been a little bit of a trend in my recipes lately. They've all kind of been steamed, from the steamed rice rolls to the steamed bread, and now we're going to make some steamed rice cakes. The cool thing about all three of them is that they share very, very similar, if not the exact same filling, which is decent for me, or good for me, since I just make one big batch. I know. And then I can make different meals and reconstitute it through the week and stuff like that. But anyway, so this one is Bánh, it's steamed rice cakes. And basically what you want to do is you want to take that filling, and I'll link one of the videos either above me, below me, I don't know where I'm going to put it. But for the filling, which is my trifecta, it is the carrots, jicama, and tofu, which is lightly sauteed in a little bit of olive oil. There's vegan seasoning, pepper, that's it. And I just took the ones from the steamed bread that I did, and I minced that up into as small as you can. Now, if you have a food processor, throw it in the food processor. You want it pretty fine. And then I have shelled and peeled mung bean that is currently soaking in hot water. This one needs to soak for about half an hour. And then if you can, this makes your life easier. This is just the mix, the flour mix. It's pre-mixed already, but it's basically just rice flour. Rice flour, potato starch, and cornstarch. If you can't come across this, I will try to link it down below. And if you still can't get a hold of it, I'll list the measurements for each one. Super simple, you don't really need that much for it. And then that gets mixed with a liter of water, which is a little under 4 1/4 cups of water. But yeah, so I've already pre-mixed it into the bowl, the batter, the mixed flour batter. And now I'm just gonna add water. And oh, you also need a tablespoon of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then we're gonna let this sit for close to an hour. So when the mung bean is done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. And then as soon as I'm done, I'll take this out, and then we'll get the steamer out in these small little trays, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? So let's get started.
Alright. This is for my father-in-law who doesn't believe I eat chili now. To show you that I do. Oh, you see that? It went in.
You lied.
That's funny. We don't need any more. We're good. Hi guys, welcome back. Clearly I'm not part of the cooking process anymore because she said it wasn't that good. So now I'm just part of the eating process. I'm just going to show you guys how to eat this. This is pretty much the final result. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of her house-made Vietnam in it. Alright. And then we're just really just going to scoop it out. Give me a second. Gotta make it look pretty for you guys. Alright, see, it just comes out. It doesn't just come out, but you know what I mean? And then oh, that's some flavor. Anyways guys, hope you guys try. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Get to see this pretty face more often. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.